Over the last few years, the global animation and multimedia industry has literally burst its gates open, and the net worth of the industry is estimated to be hundreds of billions of dollars. Any content that uses a combination of different media like text, video, audio, stills, animation and interactivity is technically called multimedia. Animation in general can broadly be split into two categories, 2D and 3D. For 2D, the major tasks can be storyboarding, which is the process of pre-visualization before animating a sequence. Character development is where entirely new characters are imagined and brought to life. Other supplementary tasks are drawing keyframes, in-betweens, cleanup and scanning. Compositing is a process where real footage is merged with digital imagery to create a seamless effect. Any 3D animated sequence undergoes a number of unique processes that sets it apart from 2D. Again, 3D has different phases of development. Modeling is the process of creating and modeling 3D objects. Texturing is a phase where textures are applied to the surface of 3D models. Lighting and camera is a process which involves use of lights and camera movements to create photorealistic effects. Animation is where the 3D models are given movement and character. Visual effects is the process where the compositing and mixing of actual footage with virtual footage is done. The number of specialized tasks combined with the number of companies entering the field means there is absolutely no shortage of jobs in the industry. However, the industry has its own needs and demands. Even though multimedia companies are on the lookout for freshers, they favor ready-to-use personnel rather than training the people themselves. In India, there is a growing gap between the requirements of the industry and the ability of the manpower. This gap can be bridged only with an understanding of the industry's needs and an integrated approach to learning. The students need to be trained in both technical skills and the much-needed interpersonal skills, and there is also a need for a proper degree from a well-recognized university. At Orange, we understand the industry, we recognize the need, and now we are making a move to bridge the gap.
I've just completed my engineering.
I was a 2D animator.
I just finished my 12th.
In a gaming ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
Information technology.
In creating new characters.
I just want to take my career to the next level.
I wanted to explore more.
I want to be the right engineer.
Today there's an industry for everything. You just love what you do.
Started by Sun iTech, pioneers in conducting placements-based training for over a decade, Orange Computer Education provides training in cutting-edge multimedia and animation technologies.
I'm Geeta Nagu, the founder and managing director of Sun iTech and Orange Computer Education and OCE College of Animation and IT.
In our quest to offer an industry-relevant and job-oriented curriculum in the domain of technical and professional education, we have launched OCE and joined hands with Green Valley Community College to offer degree programs certified by IGNOU, and is truly the first of its kind in India. The program contains intensive course curriculum to give the student a unique competitive edge in the industry.
We work for more than 1,000 clients, and we specialize in incubation model where we incubate the freshers and hone up their technical skills. There is a gap with the freshers with regard to the technical, the industry-oriented latest updated technical skills and the soft skills. So we bridge the gap, and sometimes even with regard to aptitude and logical and analytical thinking, we bridge the gap with all these skills and we give them as ready to use resources to the industry.
The associate degree is one of a kind, as the students get the benefit of a professional degree in multimedia. The first year of the multimedia program syllabus includes Photoshop, CorelDRAW, InDesign, Illustrator, Flash, SoundForge, Premiere, Dreamweaver, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The first year will also focus on developing strong communication and presentation skills. In the second year, the students will be exposed to more advanced software like 3ds Max, Combustion, After Effects and Maya. The structure of the IT program will focus on exposing the students to cutting-edge, industry-standard technology. The first year will cover the basics of the Windows and Linux operating systems, C, C++, Java, Oracle and computer networking. The second year syllabus is designed to cover all aspects of web technology like HTML, CSS, XML, JavaScript, RMI, EJB, Struts, MySQL, PHP, C#, ASP, .NET and Ajax. A key benefit of the degree program is the certification from IGNOU, which is among the top 50 universities worldwide. IGNOU's courses are recognized globally, and the degree is recognized by all member universities of the Association of Indian Universities.
With regard to multimedia associate degree, you have 3 international certifications affiliated to this program. You would be getting your certification in Adobe's Photoshop, Dreamweaver and Flash.
Other benefits include credit system, which is transferable to other IGNOU bachelor degree programs, live project work for 3 months, state-of-the-art green mat studio, job fairs and placement opportunities, and finally, Orange takes pride in providing the best training for personality development and interview skills. On obtaining the multimedia degree, the student may proceed to work as a graphic designer, 3D modeler, 2D and 3D animator, web designer, compositor, AV editor or a post-production executive. On completing the IT program, the student may assume the role of a software programmer, database programmer, game developer, software designer, software tester or a network programmer. There is a perennial demand for qualified professionals in the industry, and a fresher today can demand a lump pay package.
At the end of the whole thing, you not only get your degree, what you are pursuing currently in your campus, but you also get this ASC degree, specializing in multimedia and animation or specializing in information technology.
Orange also prides itself in having tie-ups with some of the best companies in the industry. Latest studies by NASSCOM and Gartner show that there is a growing demand for multimedia and IT professionals in the market. The Indian animation industry is forecasting a market share of $869 million in 2010. This is estimated to grow to $940 million by 2012. The gaming industry is also estimated to grow by a staggering 49% by 2012. The IT sector in India registered a growth of 12% in 2009, while IT exports recorded a 16% growth in the same year, with an aggregate revenue of $47.3 billion. The IT market in India is estimated to grow by 19% by the year 2013.
Our strength and our forte, I would say, is our skill-based, need-based training, and filling the gaps of freshers in today's requirement and giving the industry ready-to-use resources. In this way, we've serviced more than 50,000 students and more than 1,000 IT clients.
Hi, I've just completed my engineering and I wanted to know a place that would help me out to be the right engineer.
My name is Rajshekhar. எனக்கு கேம்ஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் எனக்கு. அதில் இருக்க விஷுவல் எஃபெக்ட்ஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் எனக்கு.
I just completed my 12th and for me drawing and creating new characters is something I do as a hobby.
I was a 2D animator. I just wanted to take my career to the next level. So I opted for 3D.
I came to know about Orange Computer Education.
விஷுவல் எஃபெக்ட்ஸ் பற்றி கற்றுக்கலான்றதுக்காக நான் ஆரஞ்சில் வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணேன்.
That's when I stepped into Orange Computer Education.
The atmosphere over here is different. I know that and I've got the confidence in me that once I'm out of Orange that I'm going to be one of the best engineer.
Now I'm going to complete my course. It's almost done. Right now I'm getting a lot of offers from various companies. I'm really happy for it.
The experience which I got in like a matter of few months was something I never dreamt of. Now my hobby has almost become a profession.
Art is no more a hobby and coding is not hectic. Today there's an industry for everything and you just love what you do.